How to transfer crypto from funding to spot wallet on Binance. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, simply log into your Binance account. After that, open up your spot wallet. And after opening up your spot wallet, you would be able to find this option of transfer over here. Simply click on it. After that, wait for it to load. And if the transfer is not working on this spot, then click on overview, then click on transfer, and then you would be able to open it up quite easily. Over here, just simply switch it up. So from the option of from, you get funding, because your balance will be getting transferred from funding to spot wallet. And then you can select the coin of your choice that you want to transfer from funding wallet to your spot wallet. Then type the amount, click on confirm, and this way you would be able to do it quite easily. And this is how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. See you in the next one.